Stop, Emma. No waiting on the wall. Clean it up, please. Good job. Stop, Emma. No beating on the floor.
I just want to draw.
I have an idea. Let's paint here.
Thank you, Daddy.
Next time, draw only on right place.
Okay, Daddy.
Emma! Oh no, you ruined my work!
Mia, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
It's all good. We'll take our mistakes into account. When I'm working, it's best not to sit near the food.
Okay, I'll always eat in the kitchen.
Thank you for your understanding.
Ew. Wait, I forgot to brush my teeth.
Oh no! Emma, are you coming?
Oh no, I forgot my books.
Can we go now?
Yes. Oh, I forgot my shoes.
Come on!
Wait, I forgot my jacket. I'm ready.
I missed the bus.
Oh, we're late again.
Oh, I know what might help.
I'm ready.
Wow! We're not even late.
What's that sound?
Looks like a dog.
He needs help right away.
Yes. Give him some water and I'll get the first aid kit. Ready? First, let's shake his sore paw. Let's remove the splinters. And bandage the wound. Everything went well. He will get better soon.
Hurry! Oh,
Yeah, what's wrong?
my tooth hurt.
Let me show you something.
Ew, it's so dirty here.
You need to brush your teeth.
Uh-huh. Ew, it stinks here.
You need to use dental floss.
Wow, it's nice here now.
How are your teeth?
Great, thanks, Mom. Mommy, let's play.
I need to wash the dishes and clean the table. Then we can play together.
I want to play now.
You can help me with the dishes and the food on the table. And we will play sooner.
Really? Of course, I will help you. Yes!
Thank you, darling. Emma, I need your help in the bathroom.
What?
Let's stick these pictures up and you'll never forget to flush the toilet and turn off the tap after all.
This will help me.
Here's another reminder.
Oh, it's good now. Thank you, Mia.
Where should I put the plate?
You can sit here.
Oh no.
Emma, it's a bad habit to scatter food around when you eat.
I don't litter. That's not me.
It's unpleasant to eat at a dirty table. Don't leave a mess behind. You have to respect other people.
I'm sorry, Mia. I'll clean everything now.
Let me help you. Let's start challenge yes or no. Are you ready?
Yay!
Okay, let's go. The first, yes or no?
Yes!
Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Next. Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You say yes!
My nails are so good. Kate, I need your help. I can't do anything. My nails are too long. No problem. Let me help you. No, I should be an hour away. Okay, let's go to the doctor.
What's happened to you?
I can't do anything because of my nails.
I get it. We need a special tool. All done.
Wow.
Remember, nails this long are not suitable for children. They are dangerous and harbor germs.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
Emma, what's wrong?
The package in the store.
I know one trick.
Oh, thank you, sister.
You're welcome. Okay, and first, close your eyes. You're cleaning your room. You're cleaning your room. You're cleaning your room.
New toy. New toy. New toy.
Okay. This.
Toy.
You're cleaning your room. This.
Toy.
Oh no. Oh no, you're not cleaning your room.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this.
Toy.
Okay, I will buy you new toy. This. You're not cleaning your room. Okay.
Yes. Now I will eat you. Huh? Huh? Mia, my stomach is telling me something. What should I do?
What did you eat?
I ate chips, chocolates, and drink soda.
Emma, I think your stomach is trying to tell you to eat healthy food. Chips are unhealthy. It's better to eat a banana instead of cake. Eat an apple. Don't drink soda. Drink water instead.
Wow, thank you, sister, for useful lesson.
Emma, wait!
Huh?
When you're eating, you need to use cutlery, spoon or fork.
Oh, thank you, I understand.
Emma, stop!
What?
You need to wipe your mouth with a napkin after eating.
Okay.
Emma, stop!
What happened?
After lunch, you need to clean your plate.
Okay. Ew. Wait, I forgot to brush my teeth.
Oh no! Emma, are you coming?
Oh no, I forgot my books.
Can we go now?
Yes. Oh, I forgot my shoes.
Come on!
Wait, I forgot my jacket. I'm ready.
I missed the bus.
Oh, we're late again.
Oh, I know what might help.
I'm ready.
Wow! We're not even late.
Oh no.
Emma, what's happened?
The ball is broken.
Not big deal. I know how to fix it.
Okay.
You just need to inflate the ball. Well done.
Thank you, Mia.
Oh no!
I feel good.
Emma, water on the floor is dangerous. You can slip.
Yes, I can.
I don't want anyone to slip. Better clean it up right now.
Let me help you, Mia.